Dennis, come out. Dennis, I said come out here.
Yeah. Who is there? Ah, homeboy.
Don't boy me. Don't boy me. Eh? Why have you not been picking my calls since yesterday?
Pick your call. Now you buy phone.
Hey, that question where you dey ask me. So because they not be me buy phone give you, you know what pick up. If those are one they buy phone give you with all those money where they spend, you know how many phone I for don't buy?
You get money.
Hey, don't make me vex. I dey tell you, no woman fit chop me go scot free. I dey tell you.
How much you get?
Upon everything where you don't chop me.
Empty first.
Jesus, you dey call me empty basin.
You did drink.
Another one. You dey call me healing. I will show you.
Get out. Nothing where you feel.
Don't worry, I will show you.
Get out of bed.
I will show
How
you.
much you get?
Not talk again.
Get out.
My son, Baba.
You get one girl like this where I spend for. Because of that, I don't close my shop.
Sure.
That girl pick her mind now tell me say she don't want me again. Baba, I won't do that girl. I want show her baby. Baba, I want to make her mouth go one side. Make her hand go one side, her leg go one side. Baba, I want to make her best side. You don't know me.
My son,
I want to.
I can do more than that.
Yes, Baba.
Do you have a picture with you?
Oh, I get that.
Bring it to me. This is her.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, what you?
Oh, madam. Dennis! Dennis! Come here. Who is this? Do you know this man? He's the one. He's the one you want me to join her mouth. To this side, eh? You are finished. In fact, whatever you want me to do to her. Take it. Leave that side. Take it. Take more. Leave my side. Leave your life, I'll kill you. You want to come out and destroy my daughter's life?
My father, like doctor.
Thank you very much for watching the Fire Lab Nation Entertainment Comedy video. See you on Monday and on Friday. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Book us for any kind of event with the number shown on your screen.